Good morning. It is 6:58 in the morning. Whew. On this August 15th, I am so happy it's foggy outside. It makes the weather so much better. So right now I have the sprinkler head on my trees, watering my trees, and I'm about to start trimming up a lot of the dead stuff off of all these plants, and then I can get in the house. That should take me 1 hour. And then I could go in the house, shower, get ready for work for a little while. Then I have to take mom to a doctor's appointment. So this is what it's looking like out here. Seeing damage on my cherry tomatoes. More damage on my other tomatoes. Over here on my squash. A lot of dead leaves over there. So while it's cool out here, I'm going to go ahead and get to it. And then I can harvest some stuff and then go in the house and rest. See you all in a bit. As you can see, the sun is behind me. It is 8:05 in the morning and I'm done. Let me show you what I got. Sorry, dirt from my gloves. Got 2 Casper eggplants, some peppers, and some cherry tomatoes. And as you can see, I did a lot of chopping on the tomato plants. A lot. I figure whatever's on the plants now, it's gonna ripen, and then I'll probably end up taking the plants down because I chopped a lot. However, I do have lots of new growth on the bottom of the plants. Let's come around here. See down here? New growth down there, or lots of new growth down there on the plants. So yeah, I did a big chop. I'm still seeing some bad stuff on the plants. Like I said, it took me a whole hour. Let me show you my pepper plants. Of course, these are my banana peppers. I took some off, not all. I'm waiting for these to get a little bit bigger. I took a pepper from here. And of course, the eggplants. I went in and got a lot of dead leaves and things off of my eggplants. Only had 2 that were ready to harvest today, but I did harvest like 4 the other day. And then over here, my squash. I took a lot of dead stuff off of the squash and watered in my my trees, my fruit trees, really well. Yes, I'm still wearing the bonnet. I gotta go in and shower. And let me show you everything that I got. I took all this off. All of this came off of those plants. I was mainly taking off all the dead stuff off of the tomato plants because that had the most damage. I went through the eggplants as best as I could. Those actually look pretty good, but I did see some baby grasshoppers. Remember, I don't know if in a previous video you saw, I kept trying to shoot off a grasshopper or 2. Well, they had babies and they're like hopping all around everything and eating everything. Saw a squirrel this year, saw a mouse twice already. So yeah, pretty soon a lot of stuff is going to start coming down, and I'll be doing my seedlings for fall pretty soon. I keep saying that in the videos, but I am. Hopefully maybe this weekend I can do them if it's not too hot. Anyway, that is it for today. As I always say, the kids are back in school, so you hear the crossing guard and the cops. As I always say, please find peace within yourself and please be peaceable with everyone around you. I love you all. Have a fabulous Friday, August 15th. Bye.